How to remove wax from upholstery. Stop. If you've got candle wax hardened all over your favorite couch, and you're about to grab scissors or a hairdryer and make it worse, hit pause right now. This one weird trick removes it in 5 minutes flat, without chemicals or damage. Stick around. Your go-to fix-it guy for household disasters. Last week, my sister knocked over a scented candle during movie night. Boom, massive wax puddle on her brand new sofa. She freaked, texted me a pic at 2 a.m. I told her not to touch it, and fixed it the next day. Today, I'll show you exactly how, step by step for total beginners. No fancy tools needed. But first, what if I told you heat isn't always your friend? Keep watching. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to removing excess wax, using an iron, and using alternative methods. Now let's get started. Things you should know. 1. Let excess wax dry before chilling it with ice and scraping it off the fabric. 2. Place a brown paper bag over the wax and iron it until the wax transfers from the fabric to the bag. 3. Alternatively, you can heat the wax with a hairdryer, apply WD-40 to the upholstery, or scrub it with water and dish detergent. Method 1. Removing excess wax. Number 1. Allow the wax to dry. If you start removing the wax before it has completely dried, you might smear the wax and make it more difficult to remove. Number 2. Ice the wax. Once the wax is dry, chill it using ice. Add a few ice cubes to a plastic sandwich bag and apply it to the surface of the wax. Chilling the wax will cause it to become brittle and easier to chip away. If the wax is on a pillow or removable fabric, consider putting the fabric in the freezer for better results. Number 3. Scrape off the wax. Using a butter knife, gently scrape the excess wax off the fabric. Be careful not to use too much force, as you could damage the fabric. You probably will not be able to remove all of the wax from the upholstery at this time. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using an iron. Number 1. Warm up an iron. Plug in a clothes iron and let it warm up to a medium heat setting. Read the fabric's label to ensure that the fabric is iron safe. If the fabric does not have a label, test the iron on a small, inconspicuous spot before applying the heat to a larger area. Number 2. Place a brown paper bag over the wax. Iron the brown paper bag. The iron will begin to melt the wax and transfer it from the fabric to the paper bag. A clean rag can be used in place of a paper bag, however, the wax is likely to remain on the cloth after washing. Be careful to use a paper bag without any writing. The ink from the print will transfer and stain the upholstery. If you use a paper bag from a store with a label, cut the label off the bag before use. Number 3. Repeat several times. Move the paper bag and repeat the process until all of the wax has transferred from the upholstery to the bag. Number 4. Remove any stains. Use an upholstery or carpet cleaner to remove any residual stains after the wax is lifted. Spray the stain and let the cleaner sit for 1 minute. Then, carefully blot the stain with a clean microfiber towel, cloth, or paper towel. Repeat this process until the stain is gone. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Using alternative methods. Number 1. Heat the stain with a hairdryer. If you do not have an iron available, a hairdryer can have the same effect. Use the hairdryer to melt the wax, and then carefully lay the brown paper bag on top of the wax. The paper bag will begin to absorb the warm wax. Repeat the process until all of the wax has been transferred. Use a blank paper bag or a clean rag for this method as well. Number 2. Apply WD-40. WD-40 breaks down the wax and makes it softer and easier to clean off the upholstery. Gently scrub the solution into the fabric and wipe away with a clean rag or sponge. Use warm water to clean the solution from the fabric once all of the wax is removed. Test the WD-40 on an inconspicuous portion of the fabric before using it on a more noticeable section. Number 3. Use dish detergent. Combine the dish detergent with warm water in a small container. Dish detergent is designed to break down grease and, in some cases, can break down the wax. Gently scrub the wax with a clean sponge or rag and then let it dry. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Let the wax completely dry before trying to remove it from the upholstery. 2. Avoid using a sharp knife to remove excess wax. Warnings. 1. Do not overscrub or scrape the fabric when removing excess wax. This could damage the fabric surface. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.